Hello. Let's look at this question on combination. WASSCE June 2007, question 5. A student is to answer 6 out of 8 questions in an examination. How many choices has he if he must answer A, the first 2 questions, B, at least 3 of the first 4 questions? Okay, so A, he must answer the first 2 questions. Alright, so how many questions are there to answer? Okay, and we have the student has to answer 6 out of 8. So 8 questions. Answer 6. 8 questions, answer 6. Okay. So if here there was no restriction to how he is going to answer the question, then that would have been 8 combination 6. 8 questions, he is supposed to pick 6, but there are some conditions here, so we have to look at the condition that are playing out here. All right, the A is that he must answer the first 2 questions. Take note, he has to answer 6, but the first 2 are compulsory. He must answer. So if he must answer the first 2 questions, then the first 2 questions that are compulsory to answer is 2 questions to answer 2. All right, so the first 2 you must answer compulsory, and if he answers the first 2 questions, then how many questions left to answer? All right, so the first 2 is this: 2, choose 2, select 2. Then it means that there will be 6 questions left. Okay, and then the 6 questions left, since he's supposed to answer 4, he has already answered the first 2 as compulsory. And then since there are 8 questions, 6 questions are left, and then how many questions are left so that he will get to answer the 6? That will be 4. I believe you get it. All right, so that at the end of the day he has 8 questions, 6 plus 2, and he has to answer 6, 4 plus 2. So simple like that. All right, so this is the compulsory. You must answer the first 2, and if you answer the first 2, 6 questions are now left for he to answer the 4 to make what? To make 6. All right, so 2 combination 2, I think that will give us 1. Okay, times 6 combination 4, and that will give us 15. Okay, so he said how many choices has he if he must answer? So he has 15 choices. 15. All right, and then the B, at least 3 of the first 4 questions. At least 3 of the first 4 questions. So the first 4 questions he must answer at least 3. It means that with the first 4 questions he can answer 3 or answer all the 4, because the condition is that he must answer at least 3 means 3 or what? 3 or more. So in the first 4 questions he can decide to answer 3 or answer all the 4 because of the at least 3. So in the first 4 questions, let's look at if he has to answer 3. All right, so that means the first 4 questions he's going to choose 3 or answer 3. If he answers 3 in the first 4 questions, then he has to answer 6. In the first 4 he has already chosen 3 to answer. It means that how many questions left? There are 4 questions left, and he has to answer the rest of the 3. I believe you get it. The first 4 he must answer 3. That is at least 3. So we are looking at if he has to answer 3 there or 4. So if he has to answer 3 there, then he will choose 3 from the first 4, and he's not done. He's supposed to answer 6 questions. So it means that 3 questions are left, but all the questions are 8. So if he answers 3 in the first 4, then the number of questions left are 4, so that he can answer what? The 3, so that to make the 3 plus 3 to be 6, and the total will be 4 plus 4, which will make the 8. I believe you get it. All right, or the plus. Because it is at least 3, he can decide to answer all the 4. Okay, you can decide to answer all the first 4, and then if he answers all the first 4, then the rest of the last 4 questions, he has only 2 questions to answer from there. Okay, 4 plus 4 will give me 8, 4 plus 2 will give me what? The 6. All right, so this is at least to answer the first 4 questions. All right, so let's see what we are going to get. So 4 combination 3 is going to give us 4 times 4 combination 3, 4, plus 4 combination 4 will be 1. All right, and then times 4 combination what? 2, that will be 6. So that 4 will give me 16. 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6 will give me what? 22. So he has what? 22 choices. He has 22 choices. All right, I believe you get this. So simple to answer. Okay, I'll see you again in our next lesson. Bye bye.